NEC Table 300.19 addresses vertical runs of cables, providing specific spacing requirements for conductor supports. For single conductors, a spacing of 4.5 meters or 15 feet is required. For multiple conductors in a raceway, cable tray, or cable bus, the spacing requirement is 2 meters or 10 feet. To design and install cable supports in vertical runs, several steps should be followed. Firstly, determine the support spacing. Calculate the spacing required based on Table 300.19 for the type of cable and the number of conductors. Secondly, select the support type. Choose cable support devices appropriate for the cable size, weight, and routing. Common types include J-hooks, cable ties, and cable clamps. Thirdly, position the supports. Mark the support locations along the vertical run at the determined intervals. Ensure that the supports are properly spaced and aligned to prevent cable damage. Fourthly, install the supports. Securely fasten the cable supports to the supporting structure, such as a wall, ceiling, or ladder. Use screws, bolts, or appropriate hardware to ensure a firm hold. Fifthly, route and secure the cables. Run the cables through the supports, ensuring they are securely held in place. Use cable ties or other means to prevent excessive movement or sagging. If sealing material is applied to openings where cables pass through elevations to maintain fire resistance, it is still necessary to provide cable supports in the vertical runs. The support devices should be installed outside the sealed area to avoid compromising the fire barrier. There are several reasons for using cable supports in vertical runs. Firstly, supports maintain cable positioning, keeping cables from sagging or falling, ensuring proper spacing, and preventing damage. Secondly, supports prevent overload stress by distributing the weight of cables over multiple points, reducing stress on individual conductors. Thirdly, supports provide physical protection, protecting cables from physical damage due to movement, contact with sharp objects, or external forces. Spacing supports allows for proper ventilation around the cables, preventing overheating and maintaining cable integrity. It's crucial to adhere to these guidelines to ensure electrical safety and the longevity of cable installations in vertical runs.